Hi friends, this is your lesson 22 exit ticket. So just like we did in our practice where we had a word problem and we had to solve for the part, okay? So all of these problems that you're doing today, you have to solve for the part. They're going to give you the whole and they're going to give you one of the parts and you have to solve for the missing part. Okay friends, remember with word problems you have to be a really good listener and listen for that important information, okay? Circle those two numbers that you're going to use in your word problem and then underline the question to see what they're asking. All right, so I'm going to read this first one to you, okay? And once I read this first one to you, I want you to pause the video so that you can work on this problem. And then when you're done with that problem, I want you to start the video again and then listen to this problem and then complete this problem, okay? So if you haven't already gotten your book, go get your book now. Pause the video, go get your book, and then you can come back to it, okay? All right, so here's problem number 1. Some students in Mrs. C's class are walkers. There are 17 students in her class. If 8 students ride the bus, how many are walkers? Okay, friends, so I want you to draw a picture and write a number sentence to match this story, okay? Once you've done that, or I want you to pause the video to work on this problem. Then once you've figured it out, then you can start it to read number 2, okay? Here's number 2. I baked 13 loaves of bread for a party. Some were burnt, so I threw them away. I brought the remaining 8 loaves to the party. How many loaves of bread were burnt? Okay, friends, so I heard 2 numbers in there. Remember, they're telling you the whole, and they're telling one of the parts. You need to come up with that other part. Okay, once you're done, go put it on my back table. If you need these read to you again, go back to the beginning to solve for your missing part.